Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about our next two mathematical library methods, which are math.cbrt and math.log. Math.cbrt is similar to math.squad and is used to find the cube root of a particular number entered by the user or initialized earlier. It also returns double type value and has the same application as that of square root. So let's understand this using a small program. As you can see on your screen, I have written the basic program with header files and declared the scanner class. Now we will write a main program. Let's start with int a is equal to 21 semicolon. I have initialized the variable a with the value of 21. Now we will find its cube root using the statement double c is equal to math dot cbrt, and in the braces the variable which has the value, which is a in this case, and a semicolon at the end. Now we will give our output as C. I have told you earlier that all the mathematical library methods come under the package java.lang. Now we will compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run our program. As you can see on your screen, we have received our output. It is 2.7589 and so on. This is the only application of math.cbrt function. Moving on to the next mathematical library method, which is math.log. Math.log is basically used to find the natural logarithmic value of positive numbers. They can be decimal numbers or positive integer numbers. As you know that we can't find the logarithmic values of negative number and also of 0. The 0 will also not be accepted. So let's write our main program to understand this better. As you can see on your screen, I have written the basic program, and now we will write our main program. Let's declare a integer a semicolon. Now we will give some value to our integer a. Let's give it as 91 in this case. Now we will find the logarithmic value of 91. An important thing here is that the system will return us the answer in double data type and not in integer or long, because it is a predefined function and the developers have developed it in that way. So let's write double d is equal to math dot log in braces a and a semicolon at the end, and we will give our output as d. Let's compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run our program. We have received our output. It is 4.510 and so on. This is the application of math.log mathematical library method. That's it for today. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.